Who the hell are these people? We be having lunch, good lunch today, boy. We be having lunch today, boy. We gonna have lunch today. What you think, Brian?
It is delicious.
Delicious.
The spices that he put on there, I mean, it's phenomenal.
Woohoo!
Oh man.
Trust me, this is like this not because I'm hungry, because it's delicious.
What was the experience like, guys?
It was awesome.
Oh man.
Hot man adventures. What up, people? Yeah man, we have a whole convoy out today, you know. Whole entire convoy. Let's see if you guys can identify any of these people. Don't cheat now, drop it in the comments. Who the hell are these people? Eh? Alright, so we have out here, we have Brian.
Yes, sir.
From Big Lake, Little Boat.
What's up?
Over there in green, Jamaica Shore Fishing.
Yourself, guys.
And we have over here, Thin Blue Line.
Fishing in Chicago.
Let's see. Right there on the front.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
You got Uncle Bert?
I know Uncle Bert already, man. Uncle Bert, I was general long time killer. And we have Uncle Bert over here, so. Yeah, guys, we out here this morning. Just picked up Brian and his buddy. We're going out to see if we can cast some lures. And it's looking glassy this morning, man.
Beautiful, dude. Warm.
It's crazy. Yeah. It's just glass. So let's see if we can find something this morning. You guys just stick around, stay tuned, hit the like, hit the share, subscribe. It's free. Free, you know, do it. Alright, so we have Ernesto right here. And we have Brian over here. Yeah? You got a hit?
He ain't chasing it.
Yeah.
See what out there? Yeah, he kept chasing it.
Go again, man. He got a chase just now.
What?
Something was chasing his lure.
Oh no, shit.
Yeah.
This water's crazy, bro.
Yeah?
It comes, it breaks.
Yeah.
You gotta be real careful.
And it's like that all day. Every day, all day.
Okay.
It's just that when it's windy, those little bumps that it comes in a lot higher than that.
Okay.
Yeah, when it's windy. It's rough, man. Nice one, bro. Jerry's hooked up, guys. That's a nice one, bro. A jack. That's it. Go up.
Go ahead, Jerry.
Step
I'll
up.
follow you.
Yeah. Walk with your rod like this. All right, Jerry, hook up. It's a little jack. Yeah, bro. It's a little jack.
Yeah, he busted his gut. He ain't gonna let it.
Yeah, no.
Got a jack, but he kind of gutted himself. Yeah, I use my spoon lure.
Yeah.
So that's what it looked like. When there's a whole school of them.
Yeah, it's a jack. It's a jack.
There's a whole school of them feeding on the bait fish going that way.
Oh, them a chase the current.
Me and Bert, he was trying to get ahead of them.
Them a chase the current, man. Yeah, it is. Boys are experiencing what it's like Fishing on the ocean. It's a lot different from the lake fishing, huh? Let's back up. Let's back up. It gets crazy, man. I told you guys. You are gonna get wet. Whether you like it or not, you are.
Almost knocked me off my feet.
I saw that. You're gonna get wet, man. Can you imagine if you came here when it's windy? It's crazy. Those waves are crashing. Yeah, it's crashing, man. My first big permit I ever caught was right here. It was 15 pounds.
15?
15 and a half pounds. It was right here. It was big, man.
You gotta constantly check your lens, make sure.
Yeah, it is. And then you have, even if it's not misting, even if it's not spraying you, you have the mist. So
yeah, that's true.
if you look on mine, you might see some mist on it.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
This is beautiful, dude.
Yeah, man. It's hard work, but it's fun. It's hard work.
Yeah.
For sure, but it's fun, man. What was that? Come again. Come again. Come again. I just got a hit.
They're so hard to get off me. No, I thought it was a fossil.
No.
Oh yeah, you got it, bro.
Yeah, because as soon as I touch it, I have to
Oh, turn it.
turn it.
Yep.
If not, once this suction
Yeah.
starts sucking onto the rock, you can't get it out.
Ah.
You have some people that use them as a bait.
Ah, okay. Dude, yeah.
Curl up.
This is crazy.
Oh, so that's what it is.
Yeah, it's rubber right here, but it's hard
Yeah, it's a shell.
on the back.
Yeah.
Let's get in the right here.
Huh. I was wondering what
Wow.
that was.
Oh, Jay! Let's go! Yep.
Yep, first cast in the new spot.
There we go.
It's a good one. I don't know yet. It's a jack.
How's it fighting there, Dre?
It's good, man. It's good.
Good?
Yeah, it's a jack.
Speak to the camera. Speak to the camera.
Yeah, man. That's fun, man. Watch him. Watch him. Ah! He's in the rock.
Oh, there he goes. Jack.
Yeah, it's a jack.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring him up.
There we go.
We'll be having lunch. Good lunch today, boy.
Yeah.
We be having lunch today, boy. We gonna have lunch today.
Go, baby.
There you go, man.
First cast.
In the new spot.
Uh-huh.
These are delicious, man.
Yeah.
We be having good lunch today.
There we go.
That's it.
Well done.
You want a picture? You want to hold him?
Oh yeah, well, for you, we'll take your picture.
Yeah, man. That's a good one.
I gotta get my camera. Good fish.
Good fish, man. Yeah. The first cast in the new spot. Hey, you ain't going back out there. We gonna eat you today. Phew.
That's a pretty fish. That's that blue
So
line on the back.
Yeah, this one you call them the barjack. This is a barjack.
A barjack.
Yeah, it has
It's got
that
blue bar.
significant blue line.
Yep.
Careful.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, man.
There we go.
This is delicious. We're gonna eat lunch today.
Yeah.
There he is, guys. Really nice barjack, probably about 2-3 pounds.
Yeah, there we go. He's got
Yeah, man.
nice, nice.
I'm gonna get him on a cord.
All right.
Throw in there, man. See if we can find another one. Come up again. He changed color, so he's almost black now. Can't see that. Yeah, I bled him. Want me to carry it? Yeah, you can. Okay. If I hook up another one, I pass it over to you.
Oh no, it's good, bro. No, it's good. No, I'm happy for you. I just want to be here.
Yeah. This one is good though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a barjack.
Yeah, it's a barjack. They use this in the US, but they use it for bait.
Okay.
Yeah. It's similar species to like the it's similar to like a goggle eye or blue runner.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very similar. The anti-reverse on this will just stop working. You see that?
You got this thing flipped?
No, this one doesn't come with it.
Does it?
No, it's built in anti-reverse. I don't know what's happening with it. I just felt it. This is gonna be hard to catch a fish with, man.
Yeah.
This reel has been so fit. I've had this reel for such a long time, man. I've been using this for a long time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And it's bombing out today.
You know how to work on them?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. That's right.
I can take it apart when I go home and then see what's happening.
These are cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. There's the shell.
Yeah.
Okay.
Taste.
Oh my gosh.
Let's drink, man.
That's awesome, dude. Man,
Drink, bro. Enjoy.
thank you so much. Oh my gosh, guys. So cool, man. This is the Jamaican experience right here.
Jamaican life right here.
This is it, man. That's how we live, man.
Yeah. Good people.
Yeah, man.
You got some lunch?
Yeah.
We got lunch at least.
We got lunch, man. Alright, guys. So, we just done the morning session. And we're heading back to the car to get some seasoning. Everybody got something. He's got some coconut. He's got lunch right there. He's got the rods. Huh?
I got a cold beer.
He's got a cold beer. Oh man, so we're gonna head back up so. Roast, make up a fire and roast the fish.
Oh yeah.
And just chill out. So you guys just stay tuned. What was the experience like, guys?
It was awesome. Man.
Oh man.
Beautiful.
It was good?
Great time.
Yeah?
It was beautiful.
Wasn't
The
it
ocean's
beautiful
awesome.
weather?
Yeah? Yeah, man. It's
Yeah,
beautiful,
it's
man. It's
Oh, yeah.
beautiful, man.
You know what? It's the experience. It's just like being with a group of guys that enjoy fishing.
Yeah.
You know, being on the water and the challenge, you know, like
Yeah,
going
of
through the
catching.
rocks,
Yeah.
You know, seeing the fish come and try to strike you.
Yeah, Ernest got a couple of chase.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and then Brian ended up seeing it after.
Yeah, Brian saw it. Brian, it hit Brian's lure. It hit Brian's lure. Yeah. But yeah, we'll eat some food.
They turn black.
Yeah.
Oh, they turn black.
It's really pretty.
They back it here
Turn real black.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Really?
Yeah, this one.
It turns different colors.
Yeah. You remember this one was looking real black when after I bled it?
When it was right at the shore.
Yeah, it was looking real black. But it has this distinct blue line
Yeah.
right here. It's good eating though. So stay around, guys, stick around. I'll go back up so and go make up some fire and eat some food. I got some. Alright, to just get the fire started. Allow it to burn down a little bit. Then we'll just drop on a fish pan. In the meantime, I'll go and clean up the fish though. Just now scale them, just take out the belly and then drop on some seasoning and thing on it. Yeah guys, we there season up the fish. Yeah man, I season it up. See fire rage over there, so tell one different story where we never know. There, I season this up.
It looks awesome.
Yeah man. It's thick, man. Get some seasoning all down in these places.
Yep, you skewer the side of the fish to get that in there.
Yeah.
We all got seasoning in our car at all times. And you know why?
All the time, man.
Because of this?
We get
Yeah.
hungry when we fish.
Yeah man.
We get hungry when we fish, so we just eat and just
So that's right.
chill.
This the roll right here.
Hey,
Oh,
You
yeah.
ever had this?
No.
That's the
Well, I have.
That's
I've
the
had
fish egg.
bluegill roe.
Alright. We can try it today.
I didn't really care for it when I had it.
Oh, the roll?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bluegill is different than this kind of roll. Though.
probably.
No,
Yeah, it's
bluegill
like-
because it's a fresh water. This is salt water, so it has
Oh.
sodium chloride in it.
Yeah.
So you have that taste.
Phew.
Yeah. Cut them the shorter. Cut that one the shorter.
Get some shot. Right.
Get the roll.
Yeah man, we have the grill right there. So yeah man, the roll go on, man. Have the fish them to his side while the fire go and burn down. Just a little bit of heat to reach them right now. But yeah, once the fire burn down, then put them on the grill and get stuff going.
I'm trying out the roll.
Here's the roe.
Hmm? What happened?
Different.
That's good.
Different. I told you.
Oh yeah.
Different.
It tastes like salmon.
Yeah.
That's actually really good.
Fish
That's
eggs.
the eggs. The eggs from the fish.
Go ahead and
Yep.
try this bad boy out.
Yeah, man.
Does it taste like
Tastes like salmon.
It does. That's what I thought it tastes like as well.
It's got a
I
nice,
can't believe
nice
it.
salty like taste
Give you that ring, that kick.
inside of it. It's nice and juicy.
Yeah.
It's
You know,
moist.
smushy. You know, and then it's got the outer layer. It's like a skin.
Yeah.
Like
You
an
know?
egg.
Like yeah.
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 That's
Pretty
Yeah, it's
fire.
good.
Pretty good.
That's caviar, man.
Caviar, man.
It's expensive.
Thanks.
What's up,
Look at
my
that,
brother?
guys.
All right.
That's it. That is it, guys. That
Look
is
at
it.
that.
Fish
Jamaica
ready.
hospitality. They let us get the first taste.
That's right.
So I'm gonna give this one
Oh,
to
yeah.
Brian. Hold your camera, bro.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
There you go.
Thanks,
man.
Trey. Oh my goodness. You guys.
So we got
bless
Brian
up,
Ernesto ready to try out their fish, guys.
Let me know what you
And-
think.
Eat the skin?
Yeah,
man,
you can
yeah,
eat it,
bro.
bro.
Yeah, yeah.
You can eat. Just dig in like.
There we
Dig
go.
in
grab
and
it.
just grab meat and everything.
Yeah, just like what Ernesto is doing.
Oh,
Ooh, that's
God.
warm. That is warm.
Oh, this is good.
That's good, eh?
Oh man, this is
Skin's good.
Fresh.
this is fire.
Yeah, man.
Fresh.
This is good.
Straight from the ocean.
Straight from the
to
ocean.
belly.
Oh man, guys, you guys might not be eating that fish. Oh man, this is so good.
It's good, eh?
Oh man.
Yeah.
Guys, we
The
do this all the
spices
time,
are
guys.
awesome.
Awesome, eh?
Oh.
It's spicy. It's salty.
Mhm.
It's delicious, man. Right off the fire.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, man.
That's
Look
it,
at that.
guys.
The oil.
Mm.
It's really, really good.
Yeah.
I
What
like
you
the
think?
skin too.
There we go.
The
Yeah.
skin is good,
Oh,
eh?
man.
Yeah,
Everything.
Smoky.
It is.
It is
nice
warm.
and
It's
smoky.
warm right off
Yeah.
the fire.
Yeah, you just got it off.
Oh man, this is delicious.
That is it, guys. Mm-hmm.
You hit a spot, eh? Yeah, man, you hit a spot, man.
This
Hit
is
the
probably,
spot.
This is probably some of the best fish I've ever had.
Bachi.
This thing is good.
Yeah.
Compliments
Well
to
done,
the
fellas. Well done.
the cooks, the
Yeah,
chefs,
That's what's up, guys.
guys
man.
who got these fish and
What you think, Brian?
It is delicious.
Delicious.
The spices that he put on there, I mean, it's phenomenal.
Yeah.
You know, I see Dre doing this stuff on his videos, but you can't really grasp on how good this is until you actually taste it.
Yeah.
It is phenomenal.
Sick. Ernesto, what
Well
you
done,
think?
oh man, I'm speechless. This thing is delicious.
bro.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This thing is, it's probably some of the best fish I've ever had.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
It is
It is.
really, really good.
Good.
Perfect amount of seasoning and
Yeah.
flavor
We still
and
have
taste.
this one down here.
Yeah, we still got more fish left. That's what's up.
Still got that one down there.
Mhm.
We have Jerry over at CME.
We're here, guys. Just like that.
So you know, we have the guys that might try out first, and then we still have the big one that we are gonna dive into, just to see him. So, Uncle birthday at CME. Uncle birthday, I ain't gone.
It was drying off last time I remember.
Yeah. Uncle birthday put some about the place. I might try to get him close dry.
Right there.
Go ahead, munch,
So,
dude. Enjoy
yeah.
it.
Look at that, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo!
Oh man.
Trust me, this is like this not because I'm hungry, because it's delicious.
That's what's up.
Unreal, dude.
It's sick, eh?
Unreal.
What you
Yep.
think of the plates?
The plate? Genius, bro. No
It's
cleaning.
5-star, eh?
No cleaning here, guys. You eat the fish.
Biodegradable.
Biodegradable, man. It's healthy.
This is incredible. This
Oh,
is
man.
an awesome Jamaican experience.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
That
This
is it,
country's
man.
beautiful.
And what do we say? We say, "That's so we
I
live."
thank you guys for visiting.
And so we live.
That's how we live.
And I thank you
There we
guys
go.
for visiting.
Yeah, man, that's how
coming
we
here
live,
and
man.
Experiencing the experience with us. And
How is it, bud?
Oh shit, man. I'm sick.
Oh wait, is this one recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's sick.
There we
man.
go.
Look at that. Doesn't get better than that, guys.
Nope.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Look
Man,
at that.
it just comes right off the bone.
Yeah.
right off,
Nice,
naturally.
man. Really
The
nice.
seasoning's
natural.
incredible.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get some of that.
Oh yeah. Oh,
I'll hook you up. Bro.
Yeah, definitely, guys. I'll give you guys the links. You guys can grab it any supermarket. They have them all over.
Yeah, man. I'll hook
My
you up.
wife's gonna be so jealous when I tell her how good. Oh,
She thought she was getting the better end of the bargain today. huh?
He's staying
Yeah,
back.
so
No,
she dodged it.
she's
She
wrong,
dodged a
man.
fishing
Nope.
trip today.
Oh man, this right here.
Bless up.
Man, Jerry.
Yeah, guys. So, guys, when you come to Jamaica, you can link up with me or Hartman Adventures, and you can definitely link up, and we'll take you guys on a tour and show you our island. And we thank you guys. Just make sure you please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Smash that thumbs up. Just hit it. That's it.
There we go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Brian is digging into the big one. We're running on the side there. Side there, shallows already. See that?
You gotta flip them.
So soon flip him over. This is gonna be a good part right here.
Yep. The color.
That's the color.
Yeah.
Wow.
This part is
bro.
good. You wanna try? It has bones in there, but it's good.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
That's it,
The
guys.
color is always good. And the cheekbones. Cheeks are
yeah,
all
the
Oh,
cheeks.
Now flip them now, Brian. Let's flip
Oh.
it. Ready?
Yep. I got
Flip.
Yeah.
There you go, right there.
Look at all that juice.
Oh wow.
Look at all that.
Get your fin out the way, buddy. Dig into you right here. God damn, that's hot.
This is good. Guys, this is delicious.
I'll take it. That's right.
Look at that.
Held on to it. Yeah.
Oh, hold it. You got you.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
you take the whole leg or the whole tail?
The leg. Yeah, it's a leg. It's a pork leg. Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh.
These guys are enjoying it, man.
He's like, I didn't want any.
No.
He's like, give me the whole fish.
He took the leg.
I'm gonna take that leg.
Yes, man. These guys are enjoying it, man. That is it. Look at
That's
that.
what's up, guys.
That is all that is left of it, guys.
Plate going back to recycling.
Yep. And it's only a pity that you guys can't be here right now. But just link up, man. We can do the same
Hi,
thing.
guys.
We can do the same thing.
Fish catching, lure fishing, and roasting some fish and all these things. So
Yeah.
stay tuned for the next one.
Brian's having some of the cheek.
Next.
See if we can get in there and get some.
Yeah, man.
Outside.
That's not like.
It's
It's good, eh?
delicious.
It's good, man.
It's
It's good. Trust me.
We got appetizer,
Yeah.
dessert.
So down on the beach we picked 2 jelly.
Yes.
Ernesto trying jelly for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
What you think?
Refreshing.
Man,
It's
this
good,
is
eh?
nice and fresh.
Yeah.
Oh man. Trying some coconut now.
Just a tiny hit of coconut.
Yep.
It tastes like pudding to me. To
Mm.
me. It's super soft.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh man.
it's good.
It is.
it's sweet, eh? Yeah.
That's phenomenal.
So do you guys have
Wow.
ganepas out here?
Yeah,
It's
guineps.
really good.
Yeah.
So the it's kind of like the texture.
Yeah.
It has a texture like
Yeah,
guineps.
Guinea
Yeah.
has
That's
like
right.
Guinea have a stainy taste. To
Yeah.
It, where coconut don't.
This is
Yeah.
really, really good.
Coconut is fresh. It has a fresher
Yeah.
taste.
Oh man.
That's what's up, guys.
These guys trying coconut for
Oh,
the
my
first time.
goodness.
Like this. They've never tried coconut like this.
Not like this.
You get it in like a bottle, right? Or a
Yeah.
can?
Mhm.
Yeah. You get this one from the tree.
Yep.
This one's not processed
Yeah,
anything.
Jerry took a stick. knocked
Yeah.
a couple down,
Yeah, man.
and then we drank the milk.
Drink the
It
milk.
was awesome.
It's not milk, it's water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut
water.
It's water. Now, for the milk, this is what they use to make the milk.
Oh yeah.
That part that you're
All
eating.
right.
So when the coconut is mature,
Yeah, the grater.
that part gets real thick,
Dried.
and
Okay.
it
becomes
gets
hard.
Yeah,
hard.
becomes hard.
So it's no
Regular-
longer
like a peanut.
gelatin.
Yeah.
So it becomes hard. It gets
yeah.
like a texture like a peanut,
So all this
Yeah.
is shell.
and that's
right
what they
here?
use.
Yeah.
Right.
Shell.
Yeah,
Right.
that's what they use to make the milk.
So this would be
The
the
hard
hardens
shell,
up.
Right.
Yeah.
The white
right.
stuff you
Yeah.
break off and
Right.
eat hard.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Everything there will be brown, dry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is all.
So you remember
Right.
those brown ones that you saw on the beach, and you were
Yeah,
asking
yeah.
if they were
Yes.
coconut?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those ones are the really mature ones.
Got
They're
you.
dried.
So how did you make this spoon, man?
I cut it.
Chop
I
it
cut
with
it
a
from here.
Ah, look at that.
That's it.
He made his
cut it
homemade spoon.
Yeah.
It's awesome, man.
Yeah, man. So we live, man.
Yeah, we gotta learn to use what we have.
Yeah, man. So we live. Guys are going at it, man.
Oh, you're still recording, huh?
Alright, guys. I'm on 14% battery. We're closing out and we're wrapping up everything done. Eat off and thing right now. Look at that.
Awesome.
Yeah, man. I represent
That's cool.
And that's Brian's channel right there. It's Big Lake Little Boat. You guys go over and check it out. Make sure you subscribe. Let him know that Hartman sent you over there, man. Yeah, man, show him some love. And we have Ernesto here.
Yep. I would give you my shirt, but
Thin Blue Line Fishing. So that's Ernesto's channel. Go over there and check it out. And that's, you know him already.
Big up yourself, guys.
Who that person?
We're there.
I don't know about that cheat. Tell me who that person. I don't know him already.
Be outside, guys.
Yeah, man. And we have Uncle Bert here, so see him. We are chill out. So yeah, man. We just done eat some fish, and the guys them try the coconut and stuff like that.
Oh man.
And where's it? Epic adventure, eh?
epic.
That's how we live, man. That's how we live.
Uh-huh.
That's how we live. Say it.
That's how you live.
No, say that's how we live.
That's how
That's how we live.
That's how we live,
Bro.
man.
That's how we live.
That's how we live,
Guys,
man.
if you guys go to Kingston, I can also hook you up with Extreme Fishers.
Yeah, he does
Extreme
a
Fishers
lot of
in
fishing.
Kingston. He does big fish fishing.
Oh,
Yeah, permit. He does a lot of
He does
permit fishing.
Strictly permit.
A lot of permit
Yeah, he
fishing.
does permit fishing. He goes out on the reef up to here, and
A lot of permit fishing.
so you guys can check him out also. Extreme
Yeah.
Fishers, that's his name. He's a
Big
good
up
guy.
Extreme all the time,
Yeah,
isn't me?
Extreme Fishers is the boss, man. Big up Extreme.
Yeah, man, big up. So guys, about to check out right now. So thanks again for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.